People across the United States celebrate Flag Day on June 14 each year to honor the United States flag and to commemorate the flag's adoption. Since 1777, the American flag, also known as Old Glory, has been a symbol of strength and unity for the United States of America. Throughout its 237 years of existence, the American flag has been officially modified 26 times for various reasons. What we know fondly as the Stars and Stripes was adopted by the Continental Congress as the official American flag on June 14, 1777, in the midst of Revolutionary War. When the American Revolution broke out in 1775, the colonists weren't fighting united under a single flag. Instead, most regiments participating in the war for independence against the British fought under their own flags. In June of 1775, the Second Continental Congress met in Philadelphia to create the Continental Army, a unified colonial fighting force, with the hopes of more organized battle. This led to the creation of what was essentially the first American flag, the Continental Colors. For some, this flag, which was comprised of 13 red and white alternating stripes and a Union Jack in the corner, was too similar to that of the British. George Washington soon realized that flying a flag that was even remotely close to the British flag was not a great confidence builder for the revolutionary effort. So he decided to replace Union Jack with 13 stars representing 13 original colonies. Although it is not a proven factual event, legend has it that Betsy Ross saw the first American flag from a pencil sketch drawn by George Washington. On June 14, 1777, the Second Continental Congress passed a resolution stating that the flag of the United States be 13 striped, alternate red and white, and that the Union be 13 stars, white in a blue field, representing a new constellation. But it wasn't until Bernard Srigan, a small-town Wisconsin teacher, originated the idea for an annual Flag Day to be celebrated across the country every June 14 in 1885. That year, he led his school in the first formal observance of the holiday. Over 30 years later, in 1916, President Woodrow Wilson marked the anniversary of that decree by officially establishing June 14 as Flag Day. As you celebrate the anniversary of the Stars and Stripes, here are some fast facts about Old Glory. There have been 27 versions of the American flag since 1777. The colors were chosen carefully. The red, white and blue did not just happen by accident. Red symbolizes hardiness and valor. White symbolizes purity and innocence. And blue represents vigilance, perseverance and justice. The current design wasn't professionally made. Rather, the current American flag was designed by a 17-year-old high school student, Robert G. Heft of Lancaster, Ohio, who submitted the design in a contest in 1958. It was chosen out of over 1,500 submissions. Heft's design adapted as the new United States flag on July 4, 1960. The current flag is the only one to have lasted more than 50 years. If an American flag is damaged beyond repair, you need to dispose it by burning with dignity. 5 American flags have made it to the moon. You have probably seen Neil Armstrong on the moon with an American flag, but he is not the only one to plant it on the surface of the moon. 5 additional Apollo missions 12, 14, 15, 16 and 17 ended with an astronaut placing a flag on the moon. Wasn't it interesting? I'm sure guys, you have certainly enjoyed this video. If you really like it, please hit thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. See you in next video.